Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see the spectroscopy problems asked in Polytechnic exam 2017. So the first question is based on the IR spectroscopy. So a compound with molecular formula C5H8 shows IR bands at 3300 centimeter inverse and 2110 centimeter inverse. The compound is, so they gave the IR data here. So they shows two peaks nearly at 3300 and 2100 centimeter 110 centimeter inverse. The molecular formula C5H8, all the four, they are given four options. So all the four options, all the four compounds obeys the general molecular formula C5H8. So first we deal this one 3300 centimeter inverse. It is the characteristics. It is the characteristic stretching frequency of alkyne proton. Alkyne proton. So from this data, so options C and D we exclude these two options because they do not these two compounds having no alkyne proton. So moreover, they both the compounds having C double bond C. Actually in IR spectroscopy, we get here 1640, we get a touching frequency at 1640 centimeter inverse for a alkyne. If it is a non-conjugated alkane, so this is a conjugated, the stretching frequency will be less for the alkane. So this kind of stretching frequency we did not obtain in this case. So we exclude these two options from the these four. So we have no doubt about the first and second. So first or second compound will be the answer. Next they given 2110 centimeter. This is the characteristic stretching frequency of C triple bond C. So both compound possess C triple bond C. So it shows 200 this peak. This also shows this peak. But in the second option there is no triple bond CH. There is no alkyne proton. So B, we can eliminate B, option B also. The first compound only possesses both the things, alkyne proton and C triple bond C. This will be the answer. And the second question is, a saturated open chain compound C3H8O shows IR band at 2950 centimeter inverse but none near 3300 centimeter inverse and 1720 centimeter inverse. The compound is, they mention open chain compound. So according to the general molecular formula is CnH2n plus 2O. This is the general molecular formula. The molecular formula obeys the general molecular of this. Here n is 3, 2 into 3, 6, 6 plus 2, 8 O. So they gave four options, aldehyde and ketone. For aldehyde and ketone, CnH2nO. This is the general molecular formula for aldehyde and ketone. So these two options will not be the answer of this equation. So we have no doubt about the over the alcohol or ether may be the answer. So they gave 2950 centimeter inverse. 2950 centimeter inverse is a saturated alkane proton. It's a stretching frequency of alkyl protons in general, either CH or CH2 or CH3. In general, this is the character 2875 centimeter inverse to 2985 centimeter. This is the characteristic region of the alkyne protons. So they gave no bands near 3300. So alcohol generally shows a broad band at 3400 centimeter inverse to 3500 centimeter inverse. This kind of band we didn't get in the question, so we ruled out the alcohol also. So only option is ether. So aldehyde shows a 1720 centimeter inverse. So this they gave absence of the 1720 centimeter inverse. So we ruled out the aldehyde and ketone. So both the compound almost give the peak in the region of the 1720 to 1725 centimeter inverse. So these kind of bands we did not get in the question. So in two different ways we can eliminate these according to the molecular formula, and also the peak absence of peaks in the region of 1720. So this absence of peak, this area, the compound is transparent over the 3000 centimeter inverse, confirms the compound is not a alcohol. There is a only chance to be a ether. So third question is, which of the following compound will give a single NMR peak due to equivalent protons? So number of peaks we are getting in NMR indicates that number of different kind of protons present in the compound. So in this question they give only one peak. So the compound exhibits only one kind of protons. In the first options we have CH3O, CH3. Both are methyl groups attached to a single oxygen atom. So both methyl groups in the same chemical environment. So we assign both the methyl groups as A. So it will rise a peak only. It will give rise a only one peak in NMR. So this will be the answer. In the second case, this is a methyl group attached to methylene. This is the methyl group attached to oxygen. So this is A, this is B, this is C. So three peaks we will get. But the question asked for the compound which will give only one peak. So the first option is right one. So third, having two different kind of protons. These two are same environment. This is the different one. So it shows two peaks. A, it's a B. CAB. Except this, all the compound shows more than one peak. This is the only one option gives the single peak. If you like this video, please subscribe